Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Elmir and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to test my new GoPro Hero 10 camera. What I'm gonna do, just basically put the camera on top of my car using the suction cup mount and drive through the downtown Brooklyn. I'm going to visit one of my favorite places. It's Bed-Stuy. Just want to do a couple of shots of the notorious B.I.G. Mural, the legend, the iconic hip-hop artist ever. By the way, shout out to all OGs out there. So I feel so excited because this is my first vlogging video and I want to see what this camera capable of. If you feel like you want to be the part of my long video vlogging journey, just press the button below, subscribe on my channel, and let me know in comments what is your favorite of Notorious B.I.G. Baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter.
Yeah.
And to all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby.
Check it.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, you know, you know.
You know very well who you are.
Money helps work.
Don't let 'em hold you down. Reach for the stars. You have to go when nothing is changing. 'Cause you're the only one. How's if you couldn't finish?
Uptown. Money earning, my burning. South Central, Detroit, East Side, West Side. So